KO81 here. Does anybody of you have a sports car? What's important with those? To be light. Good that this heavy balloon got ejected. But weight in general is an important aspect about how agile and quick your ride is. Some people really need it. Look at this black Golf to the right. He's intending to become best friends.
Hey! Man!
I guess he should visit a course about how to treat buddies. This green arrow tells us that oncoming traffic got a red light. Huh. Maybe some road users need red searchlights.
Langsam anfängt wieder nach draußen zu gehen. Etwas Hoffnung schöpft, bis es wieder gut werden kann.
Was zum Henker? Sie können doch nicht einfach über die Straße laufen. Alter Schwede.
Niemand spricht.
To the right, we already got the exit lane, being quite long. Watch the red Mercedes. Well, it kinda looks to me he realized he needed to take the exit after switching lanes. So first he wanted to squeeze back in, and then he realized, wait a second, I got a goddamn AMG, let's use this sucker. Narrow road, driving slowly and attentive for obvious reasons? Ah, why bother? What the fuck is wrong with people? Why is it so hard for people to even try to drive like a normal person? Gotta love it when you got 5,000 lanes in the city and all the lanes start moving, only your lane keeps parking. It's the best, especially when this happens because somebody holds up traffic to let somebody in. Egoism, anyone? Do you like your dog? Would you like to keep it? Then watch it or leash it. Yeah, middle lane crawlers. I wonder where they're coming from. They certainly aren't getting taught to drive this way in driving school. Well, the red car over there is a learner driver. Awesome, now I know where they're coming from. Maybe I need to change. We got a very spontaneous person here. Barely knows where he wants to go, and a few seconds later, he claims a light that certainly isn't for him. You got it, pal.
Taxibahnarsch. War irgendwie klar.
Uh-oh, the white van man is approaching. Let's see what he can do. So our man wants to switch to the right lane, and he told us that he did this with proper safety distance. We can't really tell without a tail cam, but even if he didn't, what's about to happen is not justified in any way. You thought that was it? He gets back in front of us and then totally let go off the gas.
Ja, genau. Sagt der Richtige.
Was?
Er hat mir einen Vogel gezeigt.
You know what that solid line on the ground means, don't you? It's pretty universal. It means no passing, and not passing here certainly makes sense. But you also know how impatience is always stronger than common sense.
Anzeige geht raus.
At least after this first pass, he doesn't go on when seeing absolutely nothing, but then he continues as he is observing the road, but it is still no safe situation, which is why there's still a solid line. I don't know if this guy knew how the road is going, because very shortly after, this road ends by merging into a freeway. He made dangerous passes for nothing. Maybe his life isn't worth that much to him? Oh well, we certainly got a more suicidal example for that.
Ja.
I hope this guy's a donor, because riding like that will not keep him alive for very long.
Und die Serie geht natürlich weiter.
Riding on the wrong side also doesn't keep you very healthy. Hugo from LA is visiting Germany, whichever Hugo we're talking about. In any case, he did observe a very creative van driver, who I am sure thinks that he's outsmarting the system when he's doing nothing but a normal red light violation. Taking an exit very late is always an astounding idea, and if you combine it without watching for traffic, we get gems like this. We are driving around town like normal when there's this car on the road in reverse gear. The camera driver is pretty patient, and after a minute, it's still on the road. Another minute later, still there. At some point, our woman gets out and is asking the driver what the issue is. Turns out there's a very odd defect, and the driver simply can't select any other gear but reverse anymore. So this driver isn't that fit anymore, and this situation was growing over their head. So the camera driver tells the other one at least to move off the road so that traffic can keep moving. Yeah, needed someone to say it before they would get that vehicle out of the way. Well, hello there, douchebag of the day.
Oh Mann, Alter, sag mal!
Alter, du hast mit Sicherheit noch kein Grün gehabt.
Nein, mit Sicherheit.
Yeah, works own lights. This one here might be justified, but recently I encountered one which seemed to have a rather pointless existence.
Oh Gott, wer ist denn wieder auf so einen dummen Schwachsinn gekommen? Für diese Kleinigkeit stellen die eine Ampel auf? Oh, Junge, ey. Die Behörden. Unglaublich.
But this town proves itself how pointless the light really is. Because literally seconds later, the very same situation again, without a light. This one here might even need a light more than the previous spot, because there are side roads. It's very common that the authorities in Germany are used to coming up with absolutely ridiculous decisions. And I am not exaggerating when telling you that there are entire TV shows about nothing but this topic. Okay, let's get back out of town. We are minding our business on a pretty empty road. Whatever could happen here? What that was? There are gardens on the other side of those barriers, and some oblivious idiot was throwing some huge stick away, quite possibly not realizing he's tossing this goddamn thing right into traffic. Alright, good folks, my job is done here for today, and you know how it goes. If you want to keep on watching this content, there are options for you on the screen. To the left, another episode to swallow right there. Or to the right is the playlist where you can pick from so many ones. Go for it. See ya.